If you are currently mining Verse Airdrop, this is your reminder. It is time to link your wallet, because without linking your wallet, you might lose all your mining rewards. So before we dive in, on this channel we talk different ways to make money online and share the latest update in crypto. So if you're new here, subscribe to this channel and check the description section or the comment section of the video, and join our Telegram channel where we share our daily update and interact with our WhatsApp group. Check the link in the description section or comment section and join this channel also for further updates like this. And make sure you have updated your app, because without update your app, you will not see the linking wallet section. So make sure you have updated your app before trying to link your wallet. So here we tap on the tax section here. So you see link your wallet address, provide the EVM compatible wallet for your account. This will serve as drop address, right? So without linking or without putting any the EVM wallet, you might miss your mining airdrop. So this is the mining airdrop. This address you put here, this address you will send the token to it. So here you copy your EVM wallet from any Web3 wallet. So I preferred OKS. So let me go to OKS to copy my. So here you can see your linked wallet. You can also tap here to edit if you made any mistake. You can also tap here. So thank you you guys for watching this video. Check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video. If you haven't started on this project, it's very important, because once they request our link, request to link our wallet, which means it is time for listing. So if you haven't started, you can also start and link your wallet now. So guys, what do you want me to see? Check the link in the description or comment section of this video. You see the ongoing MetaMask airdrop, which is season 1. You can also join so that you can also get something in your pocket. See you guys in my next video.